So my calculator has a factorial key. If I want to do 8 factorial, I can go with the calculator, type in the 8, and then press PRB, underline the factorial, and press equals. So now in the display I have 8 factorial. Press equals again for that calculation. 8 factorial is 40,320. It doesn't take long for the number that you're calculating to get really big. So, for example, 12 factorial. 12, probability, PRB key, underline the exclamation mark, press equals again, 12 factorial. 479,001,600. So 479,001,600. It doesn't take long for your calculator to kind of run out of place in the display for it to be displayed in standard form. If I type in 20 factorial, I get this in scientific notation. I'm going to skip some space because I will fill in a couple of more in between. 20 factorial is 2.432902008 times 10 to the 18th power. That means for standard form, I would have to take this decimal and move it 18 places to the right. I would have to tack on zeros to accommodate 18 places to the right. And that's with 20 factorial. A few others I want to type in. I want to figure out, when does the calculator start giving me scientific notation? So 12 factorial was standard, 20 factorial was scientific. On your calculator, try some numbers in between and let me know what you come up with. What's the highest number where it gives me standard form? 13 factorial. And then 14 factorial is going to be in scientific notation. So let's see, 13 factorial is 622,702,0800, and 14 factorial is in scientific notation. I have 8.717,82912 times 10 to the 10th power. I'm going to write it in standard form, the 14 factorial. So my decimal point has to move 10 places to the right. What tells me the 10 places is the exponent of 10. So I'm going to rewrite 8.717,82912. Let me count the places there. It was between the 8 and the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need 2 more zeros to get it to where I've moved it 10 places. So again, it doesn't take much to get scientific notation. Not only that, it doesn't take too big of a number until the calculator just cannot handle it. Let's try 100 factorial. I'm going to skip some space again. 100 factorial equals, try that in your calculator. 100, probability, underline exclamation mark, select it, 100 factorial. It's too big for the calculator. Overflow error. If I had this on the test, do you type overflow error? No, you got to figure out something else. So I'm going to write, cannot do this on the calculator. Will the calculator do 50 factorial? So somewhere between 20 and 100, it runs out of space in the memory or in the display for sure. Let's see if it'll do 50. 50 factorial. Yes. 50 factorial. I'll write that one. Is 3.04140932 times 10 to the 64th power. The decimal is moved 64 places to the right. What is the biggest number that it will calculate? 69 factorial. Thank you. 69 factorial. I'll get an answer in the calculator. Look at that, 1.711224524 times 10 to the 98th power. So the decimals move 98 places to the right. 70 factorial. It's going to just, I'll say blow up, but overflow error. 70 factorial. Too big for the calculator. Now, it is likely that the calculator on your cell phone would do this, would do 70 factorial. Can I borrow yours and see? Can I put it on screen? As mine is my recording device? Thank you. We'll check this out. Okay, on this kind of calculator, this is a little bit more powerful than your handheld, the one you can use in the testing center. Now this is your regular 4 function, but if you turn it, maybe not. All right. Okay, we got it. All right, so if you turn this, you'll get a scientific calculator. And if I do 70 factorial x with the exclamation mark, it's moved 100 places to the right. So this calculator will, it didn't clear? That's all right. Yeah, I think that's all right. As long as you have pressed equal sign, it'll clear it when you type in something new. It should, unless I do like plus a number, it's not going to clear it.